A major H-1B shakeup is coming, and for Indians, it could mean the end of the lottery as we know it. The Trump White House has cleared a regulation that would prioritize high-paying jobs over random selection. If you're on a lower wage level, your H-1B chances could drop to near zero. Right now, 85,000 H-1B visas are issued annually through a random lottery. The only system many early career tech workers can rely on. But this new rule revives a 2021 Trump plan that would rank applications by wage level. Level 4 first, then 3, 2, and I, and only run a lottery inside each wage band if slots run out. The stated goal is to favor Buy American, Hire American by giving visas to the highest paid and most experienced workers. Indians file the majority of H-1B applications, but many new graduates, OPT students, and early career IT professionals are paid Level 1 or Level 2 wages. Under a wage-first system, these applicants could be pushed to the back of the line, while senior hires and high salaries dominate selections. Immigration attorneys warn this could drastically cut the number of Indian STEM graduates entering the U.S. workforce. As one attorney put it, this rule is a game changer. It rewards money, not merit. Here's what you can do now. Watch for the Federal Register notice. You'll have 30 to 60 days to send public comments. If you're applying in 2026 or later, talk to your employer now about raising your wage level or upgrading your job role. Also, explore alternative visa paths like the O1. For extraordinary ability, L1 for internal transfers or extending your stay through the F1 to STEM OPT route. For Indian talent, this could be the toughest H-1B climate yet. The lottery's randomness was frustrating, but at least it gave everyone a shot. Do you think wage first is fair, or will it shut out young talent? Share your views in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for every H-1B change as it happens.